Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. I post multiple haul videos, vlogs, DIY, shopping, all that. If you like all that kind of content, definitely hit that subscribe button down there because you don't want to miss my videos. Trust me on that. And I do post some stuff on TikTok too, but I love YouTube, so definitely subscribe. But anyway, today's haul is going to be a Dollar Tree haul. Me and my aunt went to Ohio, and this is all the Ohio stores that we went to. I think there was like 4 of them throughout weekend. So yeah, a little bit of here and there. I don't break into categories anymore because it's just a lot of stuff. So grab a snack, grab a drink, subscribe. Let's get into this haul. Dollar Tree haul. Did I say that? Yeah. So first up, I did get this. I know it was $1.50, but I had to have this because 1, this is definitely new. 2, I have a black cat, and yeah, I just had to have this because it reminds me of her. Like for Halloween, how cute. So I did spend the $1.50 on this because I had to. And actually, oh, you can't even see it. But anyway, now it's in the back of my videos. Second, I got the little pom-pom heart keychain because again, my DIYs. I haven't had time to sit down and do my DIYs yet, but now that I have all the supplies, and I will be filming and posting that. But yeah, so we got a little keychain. Then I did spend $1.50 on this. I have multiple of these when they were $1.25, but I love these and they are fantastic. So I just had to splurge and spend the $1.50 because I do love these and they are fantastic. So got that. Then I got more of these water activated floating lights because these are so fun. So then I love these. Like, I'm still obsessed with these little crayon shaped pencil pouches. Let me tell you, they're great for makeup brushes for traveling, trust me. So I just got the blue one. So then I got this sticky note set. I thought this was so fun. Am I in school? No, I graduated high school and college twice, so no, I'm not in school. But I thought this was fun for just note taking, grocery list, or whatever. So got those. Then I got some new wall collages. So this is retro. You get 30 in here. How fun are these? So you get those designs. Then we got Zen. I love this one. And you get those. Then the last one is Happy. And this is like the colorful, fun one. Got the silver chalk marker for my DIYs. So got her. Then I got the purple chalk marker for my DIYs. So then I got my favorite freaking flower pen. I haven't seen this in forever. And I love this. Like, how adorable is that? So we got her. Then my aunt got one mini brand, and of course it's the taco seasoning again. So got that. Then I did get some of the clear stretch cord for my DIYs that I saw on TikTok. So got that. Then, oh, here it is. I'm staring at something. Then I got this little cat keychain to go on my keychain DIYs. How cute is that? Like, what? So, we got that to go on my DIYs. Okay, is that it? Yeah, okay, now the rest is, yeah. So, first off, I did get the lipstick holder, and this is the green and yellow one. I cannot wait to try this. So, we got that. Then I got the detangling hairbrush. I actually love this. I got this like a year ago, I think, and I love it. And I'm just going to show you guys. It's literally, I love this. It goes right through your hair. I love this. So we got this, and I have thick hair. So we got the detangler brush. Then in Ohio, look what we found. The Be Pure Hydrating Night Lip Mask. So, had to go all the way to Ohio, but we found it. But we got one of those. Then, my favorite, the Power Invisibobble hair ties. Love that. Then, oh, we'll do this one first because it's hair. Then we got the Elegant Style Slim in like the clearer kind of, this one's more, I don't know how to describe this color, but it's that. So take it as how you want, that color. Then we got the Micro Filling Brow Tattoo in Calm Brown. I've been waiting for the Calm Brown to come back because I love this brow thing. So finally the Calm Brown is back, so got her. And then I got my grandma one also because she loved it, so. Then some skincare by Biomiracle. We got the Dragon Fruit and Mango Gel Cleansing and Moisturizing Face Mask. I love the ones you don't wash off. But I got this one. Super excited for that. And then my aunt got one too. So the Dragon Fruit and Mango Gel Mask. Then we got the Cranberry Blueberry Gel Revitalize and Renew Face Mask. Love the packaging too, by the way. So we got those. Then we got the LA Colors Let's Get Away Sheer Sunset Lip Balm. I love this one. I don't have this one, so I was super stoked to find this. So we got her. Then we got a lip mask. I love these. Like, I love them. And this is in pink. So super, super fun. Then we got the Shea Butter lipstick in nude. I do not have the nude. I had like this pink, mauve, all that. But the nude I did not have. So we got her, and I love the little heart. Then this is new by Orchard. Feminine Cleansing Bar. pH balanced, microbiome friendly, enriched with natural oils. So that's nice that we finally have a cleansing bar instead of like soap. So we got that. Then my favorite nude lip balm. We got it in green. This one is my favorite, and I constantly go through these. So we got the green. Then we got the Blush Cream Stick in Azure Dragon in Burgundy. So you get cheek and lip color, so you can use this as lip and cheek, which are my favorite little combos. So this is in Burgundy. Then I got the Clean Beauty Lip Jelly in Sandy, just because I've been out of this for a while, and I was like, I want to restock this one. So we got her. Then from the Glampalooza collection, we got Hotel California Blush Cheek and Lip Color in Soft Coral. I'm obsessed with this one. I love it. Like, it is such a pretty color, and it's buildable. So yeah, this is in Soft Coral, and I just love the packaging of it too. So we got her this way. Then we got, okay, this one's my aunt's because it's too soft coral, so this one's my aunt's. And then I got the Raspberry Mystic Journey. So we got the soft coral and raspberry. Love these. And then last thing from, oh, I just dropped something. Then we got the red lip mask. I love these lip masks. They're so fun too. Then by the Yes to Tomatoes, we got the Balancing Moisturizer. So my last haul, I found the cleanser. Now I got the moisturizer to go with it, and I'm super stoked. So we got her. Then by Orchard, we got the feminine wipes. So we have the bar, and now we have the wipes, and you get 16 in here, and they're lavender scented. So we got that. I didn't realize they were scented. Oh well. Then we got the lipstick holder in pink and tan. So now we have both sets. I cannot wait to use this. So got that. My wrist is sore today. Then we got the Let's Get Away Bora Bora Babe Cream Gel Blush. I love this color because this is one that I will use as a bronzer and a blush combined. So we got her. Then we got the Lip Plumper Gloss Book of Earth Magic in Sangria. I love this one. I love it, love it, love it. So, and it's already half open anyway, so I'll show you guys. But comment down below if you guys have gotten any new things or seen any new things in your stores. So, that is what she looks like. Love her. Then we got the Lip Plumper Gloss by Clean Color in 05, and I do not remember ever seeing this shade. Like, are we kidding? Look how pretty that is. So we got her. Then I found the Mushroom Beauty Blenders again. I love these. Love them, love them. So these are going in my vacation bag. So we got those. Sorry, I have like a bag that I put all my stuff in after I haul it. Then we have the Blush Cream Stick in Zimmerman Bird in Ruby. So cheek and lip color. I love this. This is definitely a cheek lip. Like, this is a whole combo. So we got it in Ruby. Then by Joa, I don't know how to pronounce it. Airtight lipstick. We got this one in Twilight. How pretty is that? There we go. So we got that in Twilight. Then I needed another dual end mask tool, and Ohio had plenty, so I picked up one of these because I love these. That's all I gotta say about that. Speaking of skincare, got more of my favorite masks. This is the Real Oatmeal Essence Mask. Then we have the rice one. I love these. I was so happy to find them again. And then we have the Real Peach. And then my aunt got a rice one because I told her how good it is. So, face masks for the win. Then my aunt got the Soft Liquid Lip and Cheek in Dragon Fruit. So I convinced her to try this one. So she got that one. Then I convinced her to try one of the Mood Lip Balms, and this is in Rat. And this is the pink one. So I convinced her to try this one, so she's excited. So I got that. Then we got the lip oil in Purple Gold Dragon. I love this color. And it's not a pumper, just lip oil. But still, the color is fantastic. Then I got the matte primer. I love this. I go from this, like I switch off between this one and the shimmer one. So we got the matte primer. Then I haven't seen these ones in forever. The LA Colors Blush Beauty Wand. And this is in Atomic, and I love this. So we got her, and that's the only one they had. Then we got the red lip oil. So we got both. We got the other one and the red. Oh, and fell. Then we got the highlight in White Tiger Golden Wheat. Natural highlight for a radiant glow. I love this. I love it, love, love. So we got the highlight stick. Then we got the Maybelline Green Edition lipstick in Flare, which I do not remember ever seeing. So we got her. Then, hello, this is new. The Power Cleansing Wipes with dual texture. Cleanse, detoxify, refresh. So we saw the Power whole skincare collection, but we never saw the wipes before. So now we got the wipes. Then the last thing, my aunt got the 2-pack of Sleepy Time Whipped Eye Mask. She's so excited to try this, so she got that. And yeah, let me check the bag. Yeah, that is everything that I got in Ohio Dollar Trees. We went to multiple, and that's everything I got. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Definitely don't forget to comment down below what you guys are on that for, I should on that for. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video.